exhale. Keep straightening back. Breathe in and breathe out. Long exhale. One more deep inhale and long exhale. Patanjali Namana. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. In mudra, keep your eyes closed. Keep the back straight. Normal breathing. See if your breathing has slowed down. Observe the state of your mind before you start. Scan your body. Relax all the joints, especially the hip and lower back, and your shoulders and back of the neck. Inhale and imagine exhaling out from a little stiffness. Do that 2-3 times. Try to relax. Don't hold any tension in the joints. Slow down your breathing. Relax the whole body. Inhale. And as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Let us start with the belt. We'll work on the shoulders again today. We haven't done it for the last 1 week. Make it wide and hold it just shoulder distance in the center. So holding it like this, you're first going to palms facing front. Inhale, sitting right there, take the arms up, chin parallel to the ground. Keep the palms facing front, shoulders behind the ears, elbows behind the ears. Lock your elbows, pull the belt apart. Feel your upper back muscles. Keep breathing as you hold it there. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. You're taking the belt, same shoulder distance. This time you're going to keep the palms facing up, your thumbs out like this, and inhale and take the arms up. Keep the palms facing up as much as possible, thumbs facing out. Pull the belt apart, lift your arms up, tighten the elbows, pull the upper back and shoulders up, and keep breathing and hold for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. If you need to use a pillow or a blanket, we'll now sit in Vajrasana. Keep the pillow or blanket under your knees or under your toes or ankles, wherever it's comfortable. Once you are in Vajrasana, again take the belt. This time holding little wider, once more, palms facing up. Roll the shoulders back and down. Pull the belt apart, tighten. Hips facing the ceiling, palm facing the ceiling, thumb turned outwards. This time roll it in front of your chest. Again, keep breathing. observe your lower abdomen as you exhale, and as you inhale, tighten your grip on the belt. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. One more holding position. Take it over the wrist. Take the arms behind you. Keep the thumb out again. Palms facing out. Push the arms behind your back. Just behind the neck. Fingertips open. Palms facing upward. Again push the arms apart. Lower the shoulder blades at the back and try to push the shoulder blades apart. Keep your chin parallel to the ground. Keep pulling your belly in as you exhale. Stay for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release the belt. Now grip the belt and the ends. We're going to do what is called flossing or scapular rotations. Keep it tight as possible. It should not be loose. You should be pulling the belt apart. Inhale, take it behind you, open the palms out, open the chest out. Exhale, bring it back 10 times. 1, exhale. 2, exhale. 3, exhale. 4, exhale. 5, exhale. 6, exhale. 7, exhale. 8, keep it tight. Exhale, don't loosen as you bring it over. 9, exhale. 10, all the way back. Hold it down, palms facing up, and bring it back. Exhale, relax. Now hold it just a little bit closer, little wide distance here, and you're going to rotate over the face, over the head. Stretch it behind you. Bring the left hand around from the other side, back to the front. Then reverse, taking the left hand over the head, over the face, behind you. Straighten as much as possible and bring the right hand back around. Okay, we'll start from the right hand going up first. Start. 1. Take it nice and slow. Feel the scapular rotations as you do this. 2. Bring it back in front. 3. Try to make it vertical behind you in both positions and bring it back. 3. Inhale and exhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now just take it wider again and hold the belt down on the left side in front of you. Just going to rotate the right hand back as much as possible and bring it forward across. Right hand over the head, open the palm out, bring it back. 1. Inhale as the chest and ribcage expands. Exhale, bring it back. 2, 3, 4. Try not to bend the elbow. 5. Straighten, lock the elbow and bring it back. 6, 7, and other side. Take the right hand near you, near the hip. Press down with the right hand. Take the left hand across the body in the front, and you're going to rotate over the head and take it back. Open the palm out. 1. Try to keep the arm locked. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Slowly release. Now again holding the belt just a little wider than shoulder distance. Inhale, take the arms little behind the head. On the exhale, bending to the right. Pull the right arm and left arm away from the body. Keep the head back. That's 1. Inhale to the left side. Pull the arms behind you and open up. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Inhale, inhale, exhale. 7. Inhale, 8. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. 9. Inhale, exhale. 10. Take it a little wider. Just keep it right over your head. Inhale, lengthen the sides of the body and the arms. Exhale, try to drop the right hand to the ground and pull the left hand over to the side. Again, come back up. Inhale, keeping the belt tight without any slack. Exhale, left hand on the ground, right hand up. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Inhale, exhale. 6. Keep going. Inhale, exhale. 7. Inhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Inhale, exhale. Just take it to the right side. Hold the side right over behind the ear. Press the left leg and the left buttock down. Stretch the left arm, left wrist and palm towards the ceiling. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hold it. Keep tightening both the arms. Lengthen the right arm specially. Hold. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. Slowly inhale, come on, release. You can take your legs out. Just shake the legs out for a few seconds. Straighten both the legs out. Relax the knees. Flex your toes. Rotate one direction. Rotate the other direction. Relax the legs and lie down on your stomach. Okay, you will lie down on your stomach with the belt. You can use a pillow or a block or anything in front of you. Keep your head on that. I'm going to keep the arms again a little wider. Head down. From here we'll do the same rotations. This time your back is resting and you're only isolating the shoulders. So from here we'll take it all the way back. Inhale, exhale, bring it back. 10 counts. Inhale, exhale, bring it back. 1. Inhale all the way back. Touch the belt to your hip and bring it back. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Inhale, exhale. 6. Inhale, exhale. 7. Inhale, exhale. 8. Inhale, exhale. 9. Inhale, exhale. 10. Relax. Relax for a few seconds. Just keep the head down. Relax the arms. Now take little more than shoulder distance again. Keep the
hand behind your back as much as possible, and you're going to just lift it up. Inhale, lift up the chest and the head as much as possible. Legs are down, hold it there, and exhale. 3 more times. Keep looking in front. Exhale, down. 2 more times. Inhale, arms up, lift the head up, chest up as much as possible, and exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, arms up, chest up, head up, gaze in front, and exhale, down. Now take it a little wider once more. Take it behind your back, and you're going to just do half rotations like this, dropping the left fist to the ground. Turn your head, right fist to the ground. Okay, so we'll go like this. 1, 2, touch the ground nicely. 3, 4, 5. The arm should come straight or pull it behind you as much as possible. Both arms locked and the belt is also tight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 more counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slowly release. Bring it back to the front. Now you hold the right hand next to you, stretched out here in front. You're going to hold the left hand wherever it's comfortable for you. Hold it tight, keep the belt tight, and from here you can lift your head up. You take the left hand behind, open the chest and the arm, and bring it back in front. Right hand stays on the side, down. You're going to move the left hand up and over, opening the rib cage to the left side, bring it back. Ready? Let's start. 1, do it carefully, and down. Inhale, 2, and down. Inhale, 3, and down. Inhale, 4, and down. Inhale, 5, down. 6, down. 4 more. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. 10, and down. Slowly relax for a few seconds. You can feel the muscles under the scapula, which all help in the rotation of the shoulder of the arm. Now take the left hand to the side, right hand out here. Going to keep your head a little bit to the side. Press the left arm down nicely. Start with the right arm. Inhale, take it back as much as possible. Exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. Inhale, exhale, 3. Inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, exhale, 7. Inhale, exhale, 8. Inhale, exhale, 9. Inhale, exhale, 10. Slowly release, relax, keep your head down, hands to the side. Just relax for a few seconds. Feel the shoulders, feel the shoulder blades, feel under the shoulder blades. Observe where all you're feeling the sensations. One last one. Make the belt a little bit smaller, just a little bit. Take the palms, fingers through, thumbs out. Stretch it as much as possible. Lift your legs up like Shalabhasana, palms facing outwards. Inhale, turn the thumbs out. Lift your up, look in front, legs up. the arms against the belt, lift the chest up, and tighten your buttocks, tighten. 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly relax. Makarasana. Hold your arms, turn your toes out, head on your hands, relax for a few seconds. Relax for a few seconds. Slowly come up. Release the belt. Mukha Dhoti, 3-4 rounds. You should be able to feel the shoulders. Release the arms and shoulders. Relax. Let's do a Surya Namaskara and move on with the belt after that. Front of the mat. Feet together. Tuck your hips in. Shoulders roll back. Neck straight. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Chest open. Slowly close your eyes. Deep inhale. Slow exhale. Hiranmaye Satyasya pihitam mukham Tattvam Pushannavaranu Satyadharmaya Drishtaye. Om Maya Namaha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Pravaye Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Suryaya Namaha. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shata, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shata, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Inhale. Nicely bend backwards, straighten your legs, push the hips forward. Exhale, head down completely. Try to press your palms and tighten the legs. Inhale, right leg all the way back. Push the hips forward, chest up and open. Exhale, Dvipada, tighten the legs. Keep the hips down. Look in front. Keep the arms strong. Hold your breath, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, again tighten the legs, rotate the thighs inwards, heels together as much as possible, shoulders back, chest up.
In one move, fully exhale, press the heels down, straighten the legs, push the hips back and up, Adho Mukha. Inhale, right leg forward, push the hips forward again, hip and open. Uttanasana, head down fully, tighten the legs, hips and buttocks up, moving towards the ceiling. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Pushne Namaha. 1, 2, 3,